You're welcome to this video training. So in this very video, I'm going to walk you through how to create an Exness account in 2026. Exness is one of the best broker that you can use, right? It was actually founded in 2008, so it has been around for over 18 years now. Like I said, it's one of the best brokers in terms of fast withdrawals, fast deposits, good spread, and slippage. So now to create an Exness account, head on to your Chrome browser and type in exness.com. Once you type it, it's going to take you to this very page, right, where you can create your Exness account. Now I prefer using your Chrome browser to start. So let's open it up, click on register. Now once you click on register, it's going to take you to a page where you are going to create your Exness account. So let's wait for it to open up, right? Alright, so here's your Exness account. Now if you already have an account, you can just click on sign in, but for the sake of this very video, we are going to click on create an account, right? So let's create an account. Now you can see some options, country or region of residence, right? So I'm in Nigeria, so I'm just going to click on or search for Nigeria, right? So the next one is your email address. So you just have to fill in your email address. So let's fill in our email address and then move on to the password section. Alright, so let's put in a password with special characters, right? So you can see my password at trading20. At is a special character, capital letter T, small letters, and then number 20, right? Then make sure that this particular box is ticked in, right? I declare and confirm that. Alright, tick the particular box. So if you're in Nigeria, tick it and then click on register. Alright, so it's going to take you to a page where it to shows our account. Alright, successfully created an account. So here is it. Alright, choose trading account, demo account. No, we don't want that for now, right? So we have to verify our account. To verify our account, just click on this three icon right at the top left corner. Alright, this three icon at the left corner here. So this very icon here, alright, so click on this particular three icon here at the left top corner. So once you click on it, it's going to open a particular drop down menu, a page where you can verify your account. You can see this Exness product, instrument, portfolio, Exness product, right? The last one here. Click on it. Once you click on it, it's going to bring out some options, right? So let's click on it. Alright, so let's click on it and verify our accounts. So like I said, Exness is one of the best broker you can actually use, right? Fast withdrawals, fast deposits and all. So let's click on Exness product and then verify account. You can see this personal area, public website, partnership. Click on personal area. Once you click on it, it's going to take us to a page where we're going to complete our verification. So here we are, right? So let's wait for it to open up. Alright, so here's our account. Say hello, fill in your account details to make your first deposit. Like I said, you have to verify your account. So click on complete, right, to verify your account. So once you click on complete, it's going to take us to a page where we can fill in our details. Like I said, you have to verify your account in order to make your deposit and then start trading without any single issues, right? And like I said, Exness is one of the best brokers with zero issues. So click on complete. Alright, you can see say verify your contact details, right? So let's verify our email address and our phone number and then add our profile information. So let's verify our email address. So a code has been sent to our email. Let's go to our email to get a particular code. All right, so here's our email, right? Email verification. Now this is the code. Let's just copy the code and then head back to Exness to verify our email. So paste in the code here. Action confirmed successfully, right? So we've successfully created our email. So now let's add our phone number. Click on confirm phone to add your phone number, right? So I'm from Nigeria, obviously, so I'm just going to put in my phone number and then, click on continue to verify our phone number, right? So let's wait for the code to drop. Sometimes it can take 2 minutes, 3 minutes, depending on where you're from, right? So I'm just having a little bit of delay in verifying this and getting the code, sorry. All right, so let's just wait for the code to drop. Immediately it drops, we'll just add it in, verify our phone number, and then move on to the next option, which is adding information. All right, let's just wait for the code, right? All right, so here's our code. So just paste it in, and then we've successfully confirmed or verified our phone number, right? So let's move on to the next step. Now it says confirm faster, no SMS needed. They are asking us to put in a login password, something that you can actually use to access your account easily. So you can actually say, okay, just remind me later. All right, no need to put it now. You can put in your password to access your account later. So click on complete now to fill in to add your information, your info details, right? So to add profile information, add your first name. So I'm just going to auto fill it. Then make sure your details here are very correct. All right, select your country of birth. Obviously I'm from Nigeria, so I'm going to pick Nigeria. Make sure that your name, your date of birth, everything tallies with your document. When I mean your document, the document you'll be using to verify your Exness account. It can be international passport, it can be your voter's card, it can be your NIN, right? So make sure that everything you're filling here tallies with your document, your date of birth, the month, the year. Don't make any single mistakes. All right, once you are done filling in your details, cross check your details to make sure that everything tallies with your document. All right, so let's just pick this year. Let's just pick 2006, right? And yes, all right, let's just go with this, right? And then click on continue, right? When you're done filling, select your gender. So I'm a guy, obviously, so click on continue, right? Once you are done filling your details, you click on continue. All right, so it's going to ask us some few questions. What is the purpose of opening your account? Investment, hedging. Let's pick speculations, right? Click on continue. What is your current employment status? All right, let's just click on the business owner. Click on continue. Which of the following best relates to your profession or occupation? Right, so let's just pick I'm a civil engineer, so I'll pick engineering. Click on continue. Please select your primary source of income and wealth. You can actually select more than one, right? So let's pick savings, business, income or dividends, and let's pick investment and click on continue. What is your estimated total liquid wealth, including cash, bank balances, and liquid assets? All right, let's just pick below 50K and click on continue. What is your annual net income? All right, let's say we make about $100,000 to $250,000 a year. Click on continue. What is the anticipated annual income you are ready to invest in Exness? Let's just say more than 50% of our annual income. So select it and just click on continue. What is your CFD trading experience with a real money trading account during the last 3 years? All right, let's just say we mostly trade demo account. Obviously we are beginner traders. Let's just assume okay, we are just starting out, so we are beginner traders. So let's pick mostly demo trading and click on continue. All right, so click on continue, and then to take us to the next step. How long would you need to master trading skill? Let's just say 6 months with proper studying. Click on continue. Do you have educational or qualification and or working experience relevant to CFD trading? Let's just say yes, we do have a little bit of experience. All right, we've been practicing on them. All right, so what would be the required margin for one lot, 100,000 USD? So let's just pick 1,000 euro and then click on continue. Your open position may be automatically closed when the market is moving against my position and I don't have sufficient funds in my account to keep my position open. That is the correct one. All right, you click on the first one. The market is moving against me. Click on continue. All right, so yep. What are your plans on trading within 1 year? Become a full-time professional trader, of course, to get free financial independence. Click on continue. What trading instrument do you plan to use? I love trading gold, so let's pick metal gold, Forex, cryptocurrencies. Click on continue. How did you know about Exness for the first time? Well, let's just say, okay, I had maybe this, you're watching the video from YouTube. Let's just pick YouTube, depending on where you're watching this video from, right? So just say you saw this video on YouTube, click on YouTube and click on continue, right? If you actually saw the video on TikTok, you can say, okay, TikTok. So before engaging in trading, please consider your financial situations and risk tolerance. Yeah, select everything and click on continue. Click on submit, sorry. All right, because they're asking you if you are aware of the risk involved in trading. So select everything and click on submit. All right. Now, profile details complete. Now we need to verify our identity, right? This is where we have to add our documents. So click on submit. Now, your documents, depends, like I said, your passport or something, right? So click on upload documents, right? Make sure that your name is correct and then click on upload document exactly the way it is on your document. Your name, everything must tally, like I said, right? So let's wait for it to open up. All right, let's wait. Okay, say data use agreement. Click on yes, I confirm. Click on submit documents. Now it's time to verify identity by selecting the documents required. So you can see the list of documents here: passport, driver license, national ID, digital NIN slip, because I'm from Nigeria, obviously, right? So you select your country, select the document you want to use, and then scroll down, right? You can see this place that says upload document, right? You click on it and then it will take you to where your document is on your device, right? Just select it and then come back and click on submit document. All right, you click on submit document. Once you are done picking the document that you want to use, whether your NIN, your international passport, depending on where you're from, right? Select your country and then select the document that you want to use. Please make sure that your document is very clear, right? The photo is clear and sharp. Details can be read clearly. High or good photo quality, right? All 4 corners of the document are visible, right? Make sure that the 4 corners of your document are visible. Don't cut it, all right? Make sure that it's very clear and sharp, right? So this is it, guys. All right, once you upload your document, it's going to take Exness less than 5 to 10 minutes to verify your account, and then you can deposit, start trading, and withdrawing and all of that. All right, so I hope you actually found this particular video useful. Now, to create your Exness account, I'm going to leave a link on the description, right? Just tap on a particular link. It's going to take you to Exness. It's going to take you to this particular page. Follow the steps that we use in creating this very account and create your own personal account. All right, like I said, Exness is the best broker out there you can actually use. All right, in terms of fast withdrawals, deposits, and all, it's actually the best broker. So just click on the description. You're going to see a link. Click on the link. It's going to take you here. Fill in your details. Now, Exness also has an application. Once you are done creating your account here on your Chrome browser, you can actually log in into, like, you can just download the application from App Store or Play Store, and then logging your details into the particular app to just access your account. All right, like I said, I recommend using the Chrome browser to open your account. All right, and then you can just download the application from App Store or Play Store, and then you log in your details. All right, so if you have any questions, feel free to comment it on the comment section. I'll be on the comments, right?